boys and girls. This is Miss Lynette from Discovery Garden School, and today we are working on a pattern in a word that has the long vowel sound, which is a vowel, consonant, silent E. Today we're basically going to be looking at the vowel, which is the long I sound that says its own name. So let's take a look at our first picture here. This is a type of fruit, and it is called a lime. If I was going to spell lime, I would hear the beginning sound, L, I, M, with a silent final E. And our rule is when we have a vowel, consonant, silent E, the E makes it jump back over that consonant and the vowel says its own name, I'm. So let's try another one. Our next picture is something you guys might like to do at school on the playground, which is a slide. So this one has a blend at the beginning when I'm hearing my beginning sound, sol, sol, I, d. And to make that the long I sound, we can't forget to put the silent final E on the end. And our rule is when we have a vowel, consonant, silent E, that silent E makes it jump back over the consonant and makes the vowel say its own name, slide. All right, let's try another one. Ooh, this is something that's very hot, which is fire. So think of the beginning sound. I, and if this is the long I sound, don't forget we have to add the silent final E on there, and look at our pattern. Vowel, consonant, silent E. When we have that silent E, it makes it jump back over the consonant and makes that vowel say its own name. Fire. And we have one more to practice, which is going to be something that you guys might like to ride, your bike. So if we were spelling bike when we were riding, we have to think of the beginning sound, B. I, we hear that long I sound. K, k. We can't just leave our word like this because this is the long I sound. So remember, it has to have the final silent E on the end. And when we have the silent final E, remember our rule is it jumps back over the consonant and makes our vowel say its own name. B, I, K. And now you know how to spell some consonant, vowel, consonant words with the long I. Let's take a look at some words and see if you can read them with me. I want you to think about the consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant, silent E, and think about the pattern. You try to say the word before I say it. Like. Fine. Might. Ride. Drive. Life. Wipe. And the last one, size. So when you're writing, boys and girls, and you have a word like bike, remember, if you have the long I sound, B-I-K, and that's the long I, you need to put your silent final E on there when you're writing.